Hi guys, welcome back to the Alpha Customs YouTube channel. So if you're new to this channel, my name is Andrew, and on this channel we talk about things we do on cars, modifying cars, and little DIYs and little reviews like this one. So today it's going to be something different. We're going to be reviewing this Noco Boost Plus battery booster. So this van here has been sitting down for around 4 months or so, and the battery is flat, so we're going to try boost it up today with this Noco Booster Plus, and we're going to see if it works or not. So I'm going to take you guys through it and show you guys if it works or not, as this is the first time I'm going to be unpackaging this and trying it out on the van. So let's get crack-a-lacking. So this is the actual product, and as you can see it's the Noco Boost Plus, and there's so much things that this thing can actually do. It can actually charge your phone, it can boost up batteries, and it can do up to 3 litre on diesel vehicles and 6 litre on petrol vehicles. So for those of you who live in the UK, this pretty much covers every car in the UK, I guess. But yeah, we're going to unbox it, we're going to see what we've got, and we're going to try boost this up, and hopefully we get the van running once again. And let me just show you guys that the van is pretty dead. So let me try start it and show you guys that the van is actually dead. So as you can see, the battery is completely dead, and it doesn't want to even put on the lights on the dash, which shows that the battery is flat. So when we unbox this, let's see what we've got. So I'll leave the link for this product below in the description. So first up, we've actually got the booster, which comes like this. Put the box here, and then we've got the actual jump leads, which I believe just clip into here, and there's a 12-volt output here, and we want to just plug that in just like this. And for those of you who work on it during your night or during the night, there is also a light here, so you can press that and you can see where the battery is. Over here there is 2 USB slots. There's a USB out and a USB in to charge your phones, etc. So I believe that's all we've got in the box. As well as that, we've got a little bag that you can use. So instead of having it in the box, you can put it in the bag. And they also give a little cigarette lighter, which you can add any USB ports to. And this is actually a gift, I guess, because you can use this in the actual car instead of it being a part of the actual booster. So it's the moment of truth. We're going to put this together, we're going to try boost this, and hopefully it starts up. So first up, we want to put the plus to the red and the minus to the black. So always remember, the plus goes to the plus and the minus goes to the minus. Don't do it the other way around, otherwise you would damage your battery or short it. So then all we want to do is press the plus sign, the power on sign, not the plus sign, sorry. And then we want to see if this goes up, and as you can see here, it's indicating how much battery is actually left. So as you can see, it's pretty dead right now. So one thing you want to bear in mind is, if this is your first time unboxing it, you might want to read the instruction manual first. So this is only got like a few % of charge on the actual box, so you want to make sure it's fully charged before you try start up a car with it, as it's not going to start up without the box actually being fully charged. So what we're going to do is put it on charge, and all it is a micro USB charger, and I don't think they include one in the box as I haven't seen it. You just need to make sure this is on charge, get it to full, and then we'll come back and try jump start the van, and hopefully it starts. So this is day 2, and we've charged up the booster pack, and when I turn it on, you can see it's up to full. which means that it's ready to go. So we're going to try boost it up and see if it works. Start up by putting the red on the red, black on black, so black to negative, red to positive, and then we're going to on this, and as you can see it's full charged. What we're going to do, we're going to try start up the van, and hopefully first time it starts up. As you can see, nothing's happening. No ignition light or anything, so I want to go back to the booster pack. So if for example it doesn't start up like my one didn't, you want to press this down for 3 seconds. This is something to override its safety feature, which stops it from charging up the battery. So if you press this down for 3 seconds, it will start charging up the battery, and as you can see it's charging up the battery right now. So we're going to let that do its thing for 2 minutes or so, and then try start it up again, and then hopefully it starts up first time. So 2 minutes later we're gonna put the key in, but before me even putting the key in and turning on the ignition, you can see that now the miles are finally there. So before, as you saw, there was no actual mileage on the clock since the battery was fully flat. So now the ignition light is coming on, and here it is, moment of truth. Coming slowly. You just want to give it some time, let it boost up the battery, and then give it another try. But we can see that it's working, so that's good news. There we go. Boom. So I guess this battery pack is pretty good, and just make sure it's fully charged before you use it. And as you can see here, it's working. And if we go to the front, you can see the battery pack. And we're just going to remove it. That brings us to the end of the video, and that's the review of the Noco Boost Plus. And I hope you guys enjoyed that video and you find it beneficial. And if you did want to purchase this, I'll leave the link below in the description so that you can buy it for yourself. And if you did want to save yourself from getting in a situation where your battery goes completely flat, you might want to keep this in your boot when you go on long journeys, so that you save yourself from calling the AA or any recovery agents. So if you did like that video, please do remember to like, subscribe and comment. Be part of this Alpha Customs journey. Until next time, peace.